Energy is a scarce and expensive resource produced from the burning of fossil fuels, causing extensive pollution and climate change, which threatens the quality of our lives. In each industrial sector, it is the pioneering companies that must set the standard and lead the fight against global warming. In Soler and Palau, we have used our expertise to design efficient fans and ventilation systems that reduce energy consumption, as they're adjusted to actual needs, according to the use and ambient conditions of the location being ventilated. This is known as demand-controlled ventilation. We invite you to take a virtual tour around the Hotel L, so that we can demonstrate the possibilities offered by demand-controlled ventilation systems. When we enter the hotel, a motion detector switches the air curtain from a maintenance setting to maximum speed. This keeps the interior and exterior environments separate until the door is closed again. The need for ventilation in hotel rooms depends on occupancy. An adjustable grille with a motion detector registers that we have come into the room and opens the vent, supplying air from a centralized system designed to function at a constant pressure. In the bathroom, an energy-efficient DC motor fan, controlled by a humidity sensor, regulates the rate of ventilation in accordance with actual requirement. We have a meeting in one of the conference rooms of the hotel. An excellent ventilation system ensures that ideal ambient conditions are maintained at all times. As we go into the room, a motion detector starts the system, guaranteeing a minimum level of ventilation. When occupancy levels rise, the increased levels of carbon dioxide cause the CO2 sensor to send a signal to the EcoWatt control that regulates the supply of clean air and the extraction of stale air, thereby ensuring a comfortable environment at all times. After a demanding meeting, we move to the dining area to recharge our batteries. A series of motion detectors distributed throughout the room open the motorized vents installed in the ventilation duct. As the dining area fills up, the CO2 sensors connected to a constant pressure system, which is regulated by the EcoWatt control, guarantees that air quality is maintained at all times. Kitchen ventilation depends on the amount of food preparation being carried out. With this in mind, we have installed a triple control system with CO2, relative humidity and temperature sensors. The EcoWatt control monitors signals from all sensors and varies the speed of the fans accordingly. In the toilets, ventilation is activated in each compartment through adjustable extract points, linked to motion detectors and connected to an EcoWatt control, which regulates an energy-efficient DC motor fan installed in a constant pressure ventilation system. The working day is now over, and we're off to buy a souvenir at the hotel shop. The shop is fitted with a ventilation system controlled by a CO2 sensor that supplies clean air in accordance with the number of customers. That is the end of the virtual tour. We hope that you've enjoyed this demonstration of our energy-saving, demand-controlled ventilation systems. It is everyone's responsibility to use systems that not only function well, but are also energy efficient. We should all use our expertise to make a contribution to the improvement of our global environment.